Hey team, Christian O'Malley here again from Raine and Horne Real Estate. If you're looking for a home in a location that puts everything that Christchurch has on offer within easy reach, you're going to love this one. Positioned on a freehold title and built in 2009, this brick home offers low maintenance living with the comfort of double glazing, making it an ideal choice for busy lifestyles. Step inside and you'll discover an open plan living space that feels warm, welcoming and comfortable, whether you're relaxing at the end of the day or entertaining guests. The kitchen flows seamlessly into the open plan living area, creating a practical and welcoming space where family and friends naturally come together. Offering 3 bedrooms and a family bathroom, this home is perfectly suited to first home buyers, downsizers, young families or investors looking for a quality, low maintenance property. The internal access double garage provides excellent storage, security and convenience. With Christchurch's vibrant CBD, local amenities, transport links, Lancaster Park, a nearby playground and the new Kaha Stadium all just minutes away, this location offers an outstanding, enviable lifestyle. So if you're looking for a home with outstanding convenience, then this is the home for you. I'm Christian O'Malley from Raine and Horne Real Estate and I look forward to seeing you at one of the open homes.